Hey y'all. Yo, what up? So today I started a vending machine business. I've always liked the idea of owning vending machines. So today when the opportunity presented itself, I bought 3 vending machines. And even better, 2 of the vending machines are already placed. And on the 3rd one, I have to find a new spot for it. Also, I realize this is a strange setting for a vending machine channel, but I was just out here fishing, so figured why not film this silly intro. Oh, and I'm out here with my buddy Daniel. Daniel, say hey, Daniel. He don't talk much. So let's do this. I'm about to head to Sam's now, get these things filled up. I have no idea how long I should wait. I'll probably wait about 2 weeks, but we'll see. All right, and we're back. So it's been about a week and a half since I purchased the 3 vending machines, and I went and filled up 2 of them the same day. Have not filled up the 3rd one yet. I'm having to relocate it, and I haven't found a spot for it just yet. So we'll see about that. But yeah, I'm on the way to my first round of collections and my 2 vending machines. I originally wanted to wait 2 weeks to see how these things do. I don't know. My thought process was these machines have just been neglected for so long, and I wanted to give the people time to, realize that they're stocked and people are taking care of it. So, like I said, I wanted to wait 2 weeks, but I just can't wait anymore. So I'm on the way to my first location, which is a school, and I actually have a contact there, and she sent me a message the other day that said that it was getting kind of low. So I don't know, that seems like a good sign. So I'm gonna go over there and fingers crossed. Hopefully there's something in it, and we'll do a collection. Let's see what happens. So I have to be kind of quiet, but let's see how my first clean out did. This thing is almost empty. Wow. Let's check this out. 3 and 1. Everything else is gone. Chips. Not a fan of Doritos. Everything else is gone. Candy. I am in shock. There's this many empty slots. Drinks. Now let's see how we get. I already said we got some eggs. Let's check these bills. Kickback. Whoa. Look at that. Let's get these babies out of here. Now let's check these coins. And we're back. We have completed my very first round of collections for both of my locations. The money has been counted. So, how do we do? At location number 1, we did $143 in bills. Wow. I'm still in shock, honestly. We did another $36.15 in coin for a total of $179.15 for one location. After, like I said, that's been about a week and a half. At location number 2, we did not as well, but still really good if you ask me. We did $89 in bills and another $10.25 in coins for a total of $99.25. And that brings our grand total for both locations to be $278.40. I mean, these are the bills. I can't believe it. So, if you're interested in starting a vending machine business, do it. I mean, why not? This is something that I'm just doing on the side. So, to have this additional income is awesome. And, guys, that's it. That concludes my very first YouTube video. Hopefully, you liked it. Hopefully, it was interesting. If you did like it, please go subscribe. I have a ton of ideas for this channel, and hopefully, you want to follow me along through this journey. Of course, be sure to like, comment, the whole deal. And until next time, we'll see you.